Hello all. I have come to you with a different formula which is called a code. So why you have to know about this code function? Though by looking at this screen, you can tell that this is an ASCII function, and you might think like, why ASCII functions are like helpful to me when I'm a business user. So it's all about like you should know each and everything, how it works and everything, so that whenever it is required, you can just recall all of your memories and then you can just do it. So this code function, it provides a numeric ASCII or unique code value of the first character in a given string. For example, if I'm having trouble connecting to the internet. So let's deep dive into the spreadsheet and let's see quickly. So this is a spreadsheet, and for example, let's say we have names, cities, um, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Pune, and if you remember, for example, let's do this one, ASCII character and ASCII ASCII code, right? For example, let's start with one. No, let's do this one row of E2. This gives the row number. For example, let's go all the way to 179. Okay, and then let's do the character of this one. So if you have not watched my previous video, please do watch to understand how the character works, function works. Now, for example, I would like to know what is the ASCII code for H. For example, let's say Hyderabad, and let's say small Hyderabad as well. So I would like to know what is the ASCII value of first letter of my string. Let's see, is equal to code of this one. So it is 72. Let's look for 72. And what is the value here? It's capital H. So it has written capital H. Let's like that. For Bangalore, it is 66 because it's B. So if you see here, it's B. So and then for Hyderabad, it's 104. So if you go here, you can see 104, it's H. And you also might think like, why I have to split the use this code, why I have to remember extra formula. I can also do something like, I can get the first letter, right, is equal to um, first of sorry left of this one comma one, and then I can simply we look up. For example, let's say this these are here. Okay, so let's say let's do the pay special values. Okay, we have the values. So let's say we have here, we can do the we look up of this one, uh, this one, two commas zero. You can also do something like this actually. You can also do something like this, but the thing over here is that, so using more formulas basically, it may not take, I can't say explicitly like it takes more time, but it makes your spreadsheet to run little slow, especially when you're opening this one, when you're performing any arithmetic or mathematical operations. Because let's say we have sample data, let's say if we have like 100K records, so you always have to use formulas in such a way that how you can optimize the spreadsheet performance by using the effective formulas. So that's the reason, instead of always using the formulas that we have in our mind, so if you're not sure, so it's always better like go to the chat GPT or Google's Gemini, and then search for like, hey, I would like to have the first letter, I would like to find the code for the first letter of every string. So this is what I have used. I have used left and I have used this formula. So what do you think? And the Gemini or the chat GPT, it gives like much better response. And if there is a straight formula, it helps you to use a straight formula. And it's not just in the Excel. If you're writing a code, you copy the code and you paste it in these AI tools, and you ask like, hey, what do you think about my code? So and then these tools, it can optimize your code and it can give you a better code. So this is how we learn. So you always have to excel your knowledge, enhance your knowledge by keep on learning. Thank you for watching this video.